Vroom, vroom. Not our usual videos, but we had to tell you how we got on with the ride into Paris, and I haven't mentioned it before, but I've managed to buy another Hall & Scott engine, which I didn't have any intention of, I wasn't even looking, but one of our followers tipped me off and said, oh, there's a Hall & Scott for sale on Barnstormers. Well, I thought there's no chance, because everybody I talk to tries to buy my other engine, so they're going to obviously be keeping their eye out, so the chances of buying it would be slim. But anyway, I got onto the bloke and he rang me up. Larry sounded a really good, proper person. Didn't have any qualms about sending him the money. Sent him the money, sent him another couple of quid for putting it in a box. So he put it in a box, complete. Really good job. Unfortunately, because it was in a box, I had to pay another $250 to have the sniffer dog sniff it to make sure there was no drugs in there. But anyway, we did all that. It was a little bit of a drama here and everywhere, you know, dealing with the shippers, and they wanted to know this. But anyway, it's here. And of course, to be honest, I mean, I saw photographs of the engine, but you never know till you get it what you've got. Anyway, as it turned out, it's absolutely fabulous. Old Larry done a very good job of putting it in the box. And I didn't expect it to have a carburettor, and it had a carburettor. It also had the water pump, which is a very difficult bit, because when I bought my first engine that's in the car, I didn't have a water pump, and that was one of the reasons I bought the second engine. And also there was some rockers missing and that, but this engine is absolutely beautiful, so I've got no complaints. But anyway, we've got a video of it being taken out the box, which is a bit of a laugh. If you go on to the Hall & Scott videos, I don't know which one it was when we were rebuilding the engine, but one of our followers wrote in and said, did you know that there's a Hall & Scott advertised on Barnstormers? So I looked on Barnstormers, anyway, sight unseen, paid the money, paid the shipping, paid the duty, and here it is. So we don't know what we got. This is like, you know, we're either going, or we're going to be, we don't know. But Larry, the man I bought it from, has built a lovely box. He seemed a very genuine old boy. So I'm pretty confident this is not going to be a load of junk. But any minute now, we're going to know. Ta-da! 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 We need the trumpet thing, don't we?
Oh!
Does it look good? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that, John. Wow, and it's got a carb. I didn't know it had a carb.
Air pump on it as well.
Yeah, it's got the air pump, it's got the carburettor, it's got the water pump, which is all bits on my other engine that I didn't have. Oh, and it's got an exhaust manifold. All the rockers?
All the legs are good.
Oh, because I've got another engine, but the legs have been broken on one of them. And, you know, you're always a bit doubtful about that.
Looks a good engine.
Looks very good to me.
All the rockers are there.
Good old Larry. I've got the gears that go in there and the magneto, so we got all of that. It's even got the propeller lock. I wonder if it'll turn. We get a lever, we can put it in there and oh yeah, look, it's the engine with the... Well, that would be a bit much, John, wouldn't it? Wow, what a good engine. Oh, I'm knocked out with that. Couple of little bits here and there, like the manifold for the water we ain't got, but That ain't a big deal. So with this engine and the other spare engine, we've got two good engines. Or certainly one good one and a load of bits. This is the one that joined here, look, John, so that when they make the 6-cylinder one,
Oh, yeah.
just has another thing on there.
Yeah.
What a knockout, eh? Come on, what's the expected of carburettor? Oh, I like that. I think that is very, very good. That crankcase looks magic, doesn't it?
I don't remember all that on yours. It's obviously is like it, but
Probably. It's got a plate. Oh, wow! I am knocked out. Good old Larry. And good old boy that warned me about it. I should think we ought to send him a nice drink, really. Don't know what make that would be. Barrel throttle. It's got an intake thing there, look, if you wanted it. And that comes off, so you can obviously move that round and have that anywhere you like.
yeah, put the float bar where you want.
Yeah, it could be around the side, couldn't it? People keep telling me, oh, I really want to buy one of them, I really want to buy one. Well, they don't look very hard, because I didn't rush. I didn't rush to buy it, I just did the normal. I rang the bloke up and spoke to him. He sounded a real genuine, good old American boy. And I sent him the money. So, I don't know, all these people keep telling me how difficult they are. The next problem, of course, is what are we going to put it in? We have to build a 10-litre trials car, I think. Mustn't break it now. So that's it, really. But other than that, of course, we've got the bit of a video of picking the girls up in London, putting all their luggage and bicycles in the van, delivering me and Susie back home, leaving my van at Susie's so the girls could come and pick their bikes up individually. Anyway, our bit of it, Shed Racing, our followers, raised approximately 2,000 quid, which I think is amazing, really. And the girls all together, I think they raised £23,000. So that was good. But while I was there was an old boy come to pick up his bicycle, and I said, who's that? And she said, oh, he's 82, and he did the 350 miles with them. So he's a bit of a bloke. He's obviously an old-time cyclist. Another bloke ran all the way, and he raised 100 grand, which is amazing, really. So all in all, fabulous success. 7 smelly girls in the van with all their luggage and bicycles. Dropped them off at the train station. So anyway, so there we are. So you're going to see me unloading me all and Scott, picking up the girls, and then the next video, we'll try and do something a bit sensible, more like Shed Racing. I've been working on the MGTD, so that might be the next one. But I promise you, we'll have something you can get your teeth in compared to all this messing about. So that's it, really. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope everybody's having a very nice summer, because I'm enjoying the heat immensely. I don't know what I'm going to do when the winter comes, but there we are. I'll just have to put up with it, I suppose.
We all girls. Hey. Here we are. I'm going to just do a little crawl in front. Ladies, how are we all?
Are we ready?
Yes!
You don't care.
Make it big, everybody! Make it big! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go!
Rosie, and then catch up with the boys in front. Woo! This is the Kent countryside.
Make some noise, come on!
Oh, look who's here! Hello, Ivan. Is that our van?
I'm amazed to be here.
Oh, the traffic horrible.
Ah.
Look, here they are, lovely
They had a
ladies.
thunderstorm and everything was crawling. I thought, someone's bound to have an accident. There's all people, I'm telling you, there's all people wandering. There's all people wandering around trying to find a bicycle.
I know.
Right, Ivan, we got you a present. It's a kiss to say thank you for coming to collect us and thanks for everything
Thank
you've
you.
done.
Thanks for being our team support me.
Well done.
Way!
Thank you very much for everything.
What a
Comment on
legend.
Kiss.
Fantastic.